What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add, edit, remove or customize the links placed in buttons on Slider Revolution WordPress plugin. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to the Slider Revolution. Access your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard in the browser address bar, enter with your domain name plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, scroll down until you find Slider Revolution. Click on it. Once you click on it, scroll down until you find Search Models, hover your mouse over it and click into this pencil icon to open the editor. Editor is opening. And find the button, okay? Here is my button. I'm gonna click on it, okay? Then review the right side of menus. Right here we have the content, style, bands, animations. We're gonna look for actions, okay? Once on actions, we have this all actions right here that we can apply. Link actions, slide actions, layer actions, media actions. We can even open a media. We can full screen actions to create, for example, a tooltip. If you click into the bottom, it opens a tooltip, a pop-up. I'm gonna use the simple link, okay? And so click on it. We have the option click, mouse over, mouse leave. It can be a simple link. Then you need to enter your link. Let me choose a page of the site, maybe the contact. I think contact is okay. So we're gonna enter the link. It must be with all the attributes HTTPS, okay? Then protocol. Keep as it is, auto add, keep as it is. You can open into the same window or into a new window, up to you. You can be a do follow link or a no follow link. You can apply a delay to make this link work, and after doing the changes you can close this pop-up and hit the Save Change button. Let me apply a link into another slider to keep it simple. Let me just delete this second slider. Let me clone the first one. I already have a button. Let me change the link to another page of the site, maybe the About page. As you can see, there is already a simple link. I'm gonna click on it, select the link and change it. Save change, but now I need to change the background because I have two sliders with the same colors, with the same backgrounds. Let me go right here to settings, content, slide options, background, media library. Let me select another. I think this one is okay. Looks nice. Let me save change. Now let's see the final result. I have a button working right here as well. And after 9 seconds, I'm gonna be able to see the second slider loading with a button right here as well to another page. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.